If you watched the last video, you know I lost everything to learn something. And what I learned is this: sovereignty is not freedom. It's not independence. It's not doing whatever you want. Sovereignty is a system. And if you don't have a system, you're just running on autopilot in someone else's. Most of us think we're in control of our lives. We're not. We're running on programming we inherited, absorbed, or adapted to survive. And that programming was written for a world that was never designed for us. The 9-to-5 structure was designed around a man's circadian rhythm. Women operate on a 28-day hormonal cycle. We are not equally productive week after week. And the world was never designed to care. So when you feel like you're failing at a system that was never built for your biology, you're not failing. You're just using the wrong operating system. Let me tell you what sovereignty actually means to me. Sovereignty is conscious choice within a self-designed system. It means you know what your programming is, you know which parts serve you, and you have a deliberate structure for running the rest. Autopilot is what happens when you wake up, go to work, come home, and realize you didn't make a single real decision all day. Autopilot is what happens when your calendar is full, but your life is empty. Autopilot isn't laziness, it's survival. Sovereignty is the opposite. Sovereignty is standing still long enough to ask, is this my choice or is this my programming? And here's the thing no one tells you. Sovereignty isn't a feeling, it's a practice. You build it one vector at a time. The blueprint to sovereignty is built around 11 vectors of the human experience. These are not categories I invented. These are the areas where your autopilot runs the strongest, where your survival programming is most active, and where everything starts to shift. Physical, emotional, mental, spiritual, financial, relational, creative, professional, environmental, temporal, and legacy. Most women I work with are running at least 7 of these on autopilot. The problem is never one vector, it's the system. When one vector is running on survival code, it pulls the others out of alignment. And when enough vectors are misaligned, you feel it as burnout. The audit is how we map this. We identify which ones are running on autopilot, which ones are driving the others. This is not therapy. This is not coaching. This is a diagnostic. It's structural. We are identifying where the load-bearing walls are cracked. I want to be really clear about something. Mindset work is not enough. Affirmations are not enough. Manifestation is not enough. These are band-aids on a broken system. If your nervous system is wired for survival, no amount of positive thinking will rewire it. You need a system. You need tools. The blueprint is the bridge. It's not a leap. It's not a jump. It's a structure. And it's built one vector at a time because the order matters. I built this because I needed it. I spent 3 years and $500,000 learning what I'm teaching you in 5 to 10 months. I already mapped the territory, and now I can hand you the map. The 13 Moons Journal is for documenting the journey. The Oracle and Tarot decks are for accessing your subconscious, and the audit is where we begin. If you're watching this and you feel seen, that's not an accident. You're not broken. You're running on a system that was never designed for you. In the next video, I'm going to show you something most people overlook: the ambient videos, soundscapes. I need you to understand why they are the first tool. Hello, Spirito. Sovereignty by design. I'll see you in the next lesson.